In today's fast-paced world, finding time to cook nutritious and delicious meals can be challenging. However, there are several cooking shortcuts that can help you prepare meals efficiently, saving time and effort without sacrificing flavor or quality. Here are some strategies and tips to streamline your cooking routine.
1. Prep ingredients in advance. One of the most effective ways to save time in the kitchen is to prepare ingredients ahead of time. Set aside a few hours each week to chop vegetables, marinate proteins, and portion out grains and legumes. Store the prepped ingredients in airtight containers in the refrigerator or freezer, making them easily accessible for quick meals throughout the week. 2. Utilize one-pot and one-pan recipes. Cooking meals in a single pot or pan reduces the number of dishes to clean and often allows for faster cooking times. One-pot recipes, such as stews, soups, and casseroles, are versatile and can incorporate a variety of ingredients for balanced, satisfying meals. Similarly, sheet pan dinners combine proteins and vegetables for easy roasting and minimal cleanup. 3. Leverage frozen and pre-cut ingredients. Using frozen vegetables, pre-cut fruits, and prepared sauces can save time without compromising nutritional value. Frozen vegetables retain most of their nutrients and can be added directly to dishes without thawing. Pre-cut fruits and vegetables reduce prep time, while prepared sauces can add flavor to meals quickly. 4. Make use of kitchen gadgets. Modern kitchen gadgets such as pressure cookers, slow cookers, and air fryers can significantly cut down cooking times and effort. A pressure cooker can prepare hearty meals in minutes, while a slow cooker allows you to set and forget a dish to cook slowly over time. Air fryers offer a healthier alternative to frying and cook food rapidly with minimal oil. 5. Plan meals and use leftovers. Planning your meals in advance helps you utilize your time and ingredients efficiently. Prepare meals in larger quantities and store leftovers for future meals. Leftovers can be repurposed into new dishes, such as turning roasted chicken into chicken salad or stir-fry. 6. Try batch cooking. Batch cooking involves preparing larger quantities of a recipe and dividing it into smaller portions for freezing or refrigeration. This approach allows you to have ready-made meals on hand for busy days. Soups, stews, and pasta dishes are ideal for batch cooking. 7. Delegate tasks. Involving family members in meal preparation can make the process faster and more enjoyable. Assign different tasks, such as chopping vegetables or setting the table, to create a collaborative cooking environment. 8. Streamline your kitchen. Organize your kitchen for easy access to frequently used utensils, cookware, and ingredients. A well-organized kitchen allows you to move efficiently and reduces the time spent searching for items. 9. Take advantage of pre-made components. Using pre-cooked proteins like rotisserie chicken or pre-cooked shrimp can save time and effort. Combine these proteins with fresh ingredients for quick meals, like salads, wraps, or stir-fries. 10. Create a basic meal formula. Developing a basic meal formula can help you prepare meals quickly with minimal planning. For example, you might choose a protein, a grain, and a vegetable, then mix and match different flavors and sauces. This approach streamlines the cooking process and provides variety in your meals. 11. Use ready-to-eat ingredients. Pre-cooked grains. Opt for ready-to-eat grains such as quinoa, rice, or couscous, which can save you time during meal prep. Rotisserie chicken. This versatile protein can be quickly shredded and used in salads, wraps, sandwiches, and more. 12. Try minimal prep recipes. No chopped meals. Look for recipes that use whole or frozen ingredients that require little to no chopping. Dump and bake dishes. Combine all ingredients in a baking dish and cook them together to save time. 13. Streamline recipe. Sequences. Multitasking. While one part of your meal is cooking, for example, pasta boiling, prepare other components like sauces or vegetables. Overlap cooking. Use the same pot or pan to cook different parts of a meal one after the other to minimize dishwashing. 14. Make use of pre-made bases. Stock up on broths and sauces. Pre-made broths, sauces, and seasonings can add instant flavor and save prep time. Marinated proteins. Use pre-marinated meats or seafood for instant flavor without additional effort. 15. Invest in time-saving gadgets. Electric griddles. An electric griddle allows you to cook multiple items at once and is easy to clean. It's perfect for preparing breakfast foods or grilling vegetables. Spiralizers. Spiralizers transform vegetables into fun, noodle-like shapes that cook quickly and add variety to your meals. Try spiralized zucchini, carrots, or sweet potatoes. 16. Cook smarter. Cut ingredients uniformly. Uniformly cut ingredients ensure even cooking and can speed up the cooking process. Invest in good quality knives and a cutting board to make chopping easier and more efficient. Season early. Adding seasonings early in the cooking process allows flavors to blend better and saves you time adjusting seasoning later. 17. Maximize your freezer. Make extra and freeze. When preparing soups, stews, or sauces, make a larger batch and freeze the extras in individual portions. This way, you always have ready-made meals on hand. Freeze meal components. Freeze pre-cooked proteins, grains, or vegetables in portions for easy meal assembly later. This is particularly useful for busy weekdays. 18. Experiment with quick cooking proteins. Thin cuts of meat. Choose thin cuts of meat, such as chicken breasts or sirloin steaks, for quicker cooking times. These can be grilled, sautéed, or broiled in a matter of minutes. Shellfish. Shellfish, such as shrimp, scallops, and mussels, cook quickly and can add flavor and variety to your meals. Try them in pasta, salads, or stir-fries. 19. Keep your pantry well-stocked. Ready-to-use seasonings. Stock up on spices, herbs, and sauces to add quick flavor to your meals. Consider blends such as Italian seasoning, curry powder, and soy sauce. Canned goods. Canned beans, tomatoes, and vegetables can serve as convenient meal bases. Keep a variety in your pantry for easy access to ingredients. 20. Opt for smaller cookware. Mini appliances. Small appliances like mini rice cookers, blenders, and toaster ovens heat up quickly and can be more efficient for cooking smaller meals or specific components. Skillet meals. A small skillet heats up faster and can cook meals quickly. Use it for making one-pan dishes, such as frittatas or sautéed vegetables. Incorporating these cooking shortcuts into your routine can help you prepare delicious meals in less time and with less effort. By planning ahead, using pre-prepared ingredients, and leveraging modern kitchen tools, you can make cooking a more enjoyable and efficient part of your daily life. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for sticking around with us.